Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files. Check the manual download option. Check the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If it doesn't have an account, then check the register option and create an account. And then it will start downloading. After the download done, just need to right click on the rar file and select printer and select extract to. Open the extracted folder. On right side, you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. After you are in the game folder, you just need to open the content folder and scripts folder. Just drag and drop these files in here. Check the replace the file in the destination. And now just close stuff here and you can enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.